And the next step is done on the client computers, and that is we need to check out the license or borrow the license to actually use them, because they're sitting there, they're available on our host computer. The clients are connected to their host computer to get the license, but we have to either check one out or borrow it. And kind of want to go to the difference because they're confusing terms. They're very similar. They're kind of black and white here, but we're going to go with the differences between the two. Okay. And the first one is check out modules. Okay. The checkout modules process, what that's for is, and the design intent of it is, if the client workstation is going to remain connected to the network, it's best to check out the necessary modules from within SolidWorks and CAMWorks solids. Okay. And then that's done by going to the Help menu, CAMWorks, License Info, and this window will pop up, and you'll see all the available modules and the list of the modules, and you literally go down here, check the ones you want, hit Update Licenses, and you can check out that license you want to use. So it'll check it out, just like you would check the book out of the library, and obtain that license from the hosting computer, the server license. Okay. One big note here is CAMWorks icons will remain grayed out or deactivated until a license is checked out or borrowed. So that's, a lot of people will ask, why are my icons grayed out after I set up the license? It's because you have to come in and hit check out the license or borrow the license. So again, checking out a license, a quick summary is, ideally the concept is for when your computer is going to remain connected to the network. Okay. Check out some modules real quick. So I'll show you how to check out modules. Okay. So to check out a module, I'm going to go ahead and launch CAMWorks because I don't have SolidWorks open because I had just switched my license. So anytime you switch licenses, it's best to do that with SolidWorks CAMWorks closed, so that when it launches, it obtains the fresh license right out of the bat. So I switched from standalone Netowrk to floating network. And you'll see it's loading SolidWorks and loading CAMWorks. Okay. I'm going to open up a part here real quick, just to have a part open. Okay, you can see my icons are active here. That's because it automatically grabbed a license. We'll discuss that. So I'm going to go to Help, CAMWorks File, License Info. On the floating network license, it automatically grabbed my licenses for me. Remember the setting when I was testing things earlier. Okay. It automatically grabbed a license, so they're automatically checked out for me. And we're going to discuss that here. I'm going to go ahead and unselect all and hit Update Licenses, and that's going to release the license back to the server. So you can see that it is all 25 of them are available right now. I have no licenses. If I hit OK, you can see how all my icons are pretty much grayed out here because I have no license. Okay, and you'll see there's key locks on features, stuff like that, because there's no license. So we're going to go to Help, CAMWorks, License Info. I have licenses available, so I can check them out. And let's say I want to grab 2.5-axis milling, I can grab those. My 3-axis license, I don't know, turning, I can grab, and I'll grab my volume mill licenses. So I can either grab them all or individual ones, select them in this list, hit Update Licenses. It's now going to check out those licenses. So I have them, and here checked out. Another thing here is to put them in the startup column. What this does here is that means the next time I start CAMWorks, it'll automatically check out that license on startup. Okay, which is why I had a license when I first started, because it had those checks. So I'm going to go ahead and hit OK, and now you'll see that I have my icons are available because I have licenses here. And if I were to go back into the license manager, just to show you, and go to Authorized Module tabs, you'll see I have some available and some not. All the ones that I checked out are no longer available. Okay, that means that person, someone else can check that out, but I have 24 of them, so more people can check it out. You can get information with the show usage to see who's checked out what as well. There's a summary report there. Okay, I can come back in here and release that license so someone else could check it out and use that license. So I'm basically going to return that book back to the library. So I'm going to go back to license info. I'll just do unselect all. Oh, here, we'll manually uncheck them. Update licenses. That released them all back. All 25 are available. I hit OK. I can't do anything in CAMWorks because I sent my license back to the server. I'm no longer using it.